measuring spoons.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You can't get it to go in there. Thank you. Don't put that in your mouth. Silly boy. Put it back.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What you doing, Mason? Are you helping?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? What are you helping me do?
I want to help dishes.
You want to help with the dishes? Thank you.
I want to help with the dishes.
Okay. Put that in. Good job. Thank you.
I want to help with dishes.
Thank you.
I want this is a fake.